Hello and welcome back to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some strawberry ice cream. You can use any blender you want, but the Ninja blender is probably going to do the best for this. You can pick this up on Amazon for about 99 bucks. So to start off with, you're going to want some almond milk, and we're going to use 1 cup of almond milk. After the almond milk, you're going to want to use some stevia, and you're going to put about 5 grams of stevia. And when you're doing this, make sure that if you're trying to keep track of your calories and you're really paying attention to all that kind of stuff, that you do have a food scale, because this is gonna get you down to the exact calories when you're doing this. Xanthan gum is going to be the next thing that you need. You can buy this basically at any grocery store. It's a little pricier, it's about $6, but this thing's going to last you quite a long time. It has 142 servings in it, so 142 grams, and we're going to use 8 grams in the ice cream. And again, I'm weighing all this out, so definitely having a food scale is going to definitely help you out when you're making this. Now the xanthan gum, you definitely gotta have when you're trying to make this. This is what's going to expand it and make it more filling, and definitely put the volume in it. So it's going to make it give you a lot more for what you're making here. Next thing is a cup of ice. And then again, I'm going to use strawberry and cream protein powder. You're going to put 1 scoop of protein powder. And then after the protein powder, what you're going to use is frozen strawberries. And then you're going to use 2 servings of this. So 1 cup's only 50 calories. We're going to use 2 cups. And I'm going to weigh it out. So it's 140 grams. We're going to put 280 grams. There we go. That's about 283 right there. So now with all that right there, that's all you're going to need. So you have 100 calories of the strawberries. You have 30 calories from the unsweetened almond milk, because you're only using 1 cup. And then you put it in a scoop of protein, which is going to be 120 calories. So it's 250 calories for this whole thing of ice cream you're going to make. And this right here is going to make you about 6 cups. So you're going to get about 6 cups of ice cream in this. to do is put it on the blender, blend it for about a minute, minute and a half. After it's done blending, you want to scrape the sides and then repeat. And just do it until it's the consistency that you like. But this is definitely going to make you quite a bit of ice cream here. So now you can see I have this all blended. And this is what's going to come out after. And it's really thick. It's very tasty. And again, it only has 250 calories. And like I said, it makes about 6 cups. So you got 6 cups of ice cream for 250 calories. That's going to fill you up. It's going to make you feel full. It's going to help satisfy your craving for sweets. This is a lot better alternative to eat when you're trying to stay lean and trying to build muscle. You're going to have way more protein than any other ice cream that you're going to make. And if you like strawberries, this is definitely going to be good. Just get the strawberry. You can use vanilla. You can use vanilla protein if you want to use vanilla protein. Just add the strawberries. You're going to get all the flavor from the frozen strawberries. And then you can mix it up and try this with other flavors too. You can do vanilla protein. You can put blueberries in there. So there's a lot of opportunity when doing this. But when trying to make something that you want a sweet ice cream, it's a lot better than eating a thing of Ben & Jerry's or just regular ice cream. It's going to fill you up. It's going to give you protein. And it's very quick and easy to make. So it's not many things that you need. Again, you want to have the stevia, 5 grams stevia. Xanthan gum, you have to have this. You got to have this to make this. You want 8 grams of this. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. A cup of ice. And you can put some more ice in it if you want. It's just going to make the volume go. So if you want to add more ice, go ahead and add more ice. Just depends on how thick you want to make it. Frozen strawberries. Any type of frozen strawberries that you like. You want frozen strawberries, you want frozen blueberries, you can use frozen blueberries, but it is going to depend on the flavor of the protein that you have too. So vanilla would probably be used for any different type of fruit that you want to use to give it that flavor from the fruit. And then 1 scoop of any type of protein that you want to use. And I used the Rule 1 strawberries and cream. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell button so you're notified of any new videos that come out. And again, have a great day.